sounds stupid, but we're buying another car.
Oh, Josh, your driving sucks, bro.
We don't got time, bro. We don't got time. As you can see, no time.
Oh my gosh.
Excited?
New daily. Yep. Super excited.
Google it.
It's really clean, man. You took care of it. I tried my best. Super clean, huh, babe? And this is the fog lights. I never had a chance to put them on. Dragging frame, bro.
That's so cool. I want to be dragging frame.
I want to be dragging
I want to be dragging frames.
I gotta fix this bumper. Dude, this side was cherry. This side was perfect, bro.
Smoky.
Underneath?
You can see
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Pour over, so.
I'm gonna fix.
What's smoking though?
Is that really all power steering?
Hope they can fix the car. Dude, look at this truck. It's called Monster Tacos. And I get one burrito.
Is that pretty cool? Oh, get that out of here. You got fake wheels. Come on.
Was he?
You ain't going on the vlog with those ESRs, bro.
He's too high. Go higher, bro.
Hey, Marky 16. Marky!
Hey.
Marky, you're not low enough.
You're not high enough.
You'll burn out.
He boom, bah, 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 bah. His axle snapped. He didn't even do it. He had to drag tire on the rear. And he was with the chick. He had to pull over. His chick was so pissed. And they're just laughing and drive off. Imagine that, bro.
Excuse my dog.
Excuse my dog.
We're going home without the car. Ah, dude. I'm pretty bummed. We didn't go home with the car.
At least we're having fun, right?
Yeah. This is the best.
Doki-chan.
違うよ。ドキンちゃん。Okay, you have to put this on the vlog. Koda thought that was ドキンちゃん.
Uneducated about Filipino culture.
Oh, that was a Philippine.
That's a Filipino thing, bro. Cop speeding, bro. Pull the cop over. Wake up.
I'm pulling him over. That's it. Citizens arrest.
Car parking.
He's tripping balls right now. There's a cop in front of us.
Koda, are you gonna bark?
It's territorial and 240s are around, dude.
So what's going on, dude?
I think we're buying another car tomorrow. Just hit me up and he wants to sell me the that I sold him.
Are we going viral again?
I sure hope so.
Great.
Here we go, man.
What's going on, man?
This is a bit different than the normal. We're selling a car today so we can buy more cars. I ran out of money, guys. So I figure I gotta sell a van now. But, makes sense, right? We don't really use it anymore. I think the kids will be more sad than anything. Are you sad, Momo, we're selling this?
No.
No? Okay, cool.
Nice glasses, Momo.
That's my
Your
glasses.
sunglasses.
Yeah.
Nice.
This was my life in the van. We got charcoal, camping chairs, a blow-up mattress, a toolkit, a trash can, and that's all I needed to live life in the van. It's kind of sad that we're selling it, but we still got the dually. What do you think, Jordan?
I mean,
It's fine.
Another car. Stay tuned.
We're actually picking up a pretty cool car.
That you guys might have seen before.
You might have seen it before. We're gonna get it back in our possession.
Bye bye, van.
Say bye-bye, van.
Bye-bye. Papa,
What?
I really love that. Oh.
You really love this car? Oh,
Oh, this is not Papa's car anymore.
It's Mom's car.
This is your car?
Yeah, I love this car.
You have to say bye bye, car.
No, I love this car.
it's just a couple signatures and print your name and address right here. I gotta go buy a car to fill this void.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm working on my van. I need to change torque converter, which is like clutch. I had to take transmission off on this. Beto's gonna help me at the shop. I'm gonna do it tomorrow.
Oh snap! Sick looking
Like,
sky.
which way wind blowing, bro? Like everywhere. What's the chemtrail? Like, you get the word chemtrail. A little bit safer. The sunset's crazy though.
I know.
Hop in.
Sick cars, bro.
Nice and Jordan.
So clean.